Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be learning Italian numbers 11 to 20. Okay, so the first thing that I will repeat again and again throughout my videos is the correct pronunciation. So your vowels in English, A, E, I, O, U, should always be pronounced A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so are you ready? Here we go. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. These are your Italian numbers, 11 to 20. So what you need to do is repeat them all the time, okay? So just practice them. Practice, practice, practice makes perfect. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay? So, here we go. I'm going to repeat them, but I'm going to give you some time to say them out loud during this video. So here we go. 11 is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so just practice them today, tonight, tomorrow, all week. By the end of the week, you'll get it. Now, one tip that I do want to tell you is sometimes it is good to have a kind of tip to help you remember these words and numbers. For example, here, have a look at 13. Now, if you divide that word in two, you'll see tre, which is 3 in Italian, and dieci, which is kind of like 10, 10. So 3 plus 10, 3 e 10 sono 13, is 13. That's an easy way to remember your teen numbers. So for example, 17, dieci is like 10, sette is 7. Okay, so 10 plus 7 is 17, 17. All right, so there you go, guys. Another quick video on numbers 11 fino a 20, and numbers 11 to 20. Again, you can use them in any kind of game capacity, whether you're speaking about wanting to order something with your friends, with the person that you live with, in any type of situation. Instead of using English numbers, have a go at the Italian language. And before you know it, those numbers, uno fino a 20, 1 to 20, will be in your brain and you'll be able to recite them at any given moment. So have fun, enjoy, and yeah, thanks for liking and subscribing to my channel. Thanks, guys.